Kubernetes. Kubernetes is an open-source container orchestration system for automating the deployment, scaling, and management of containerized applications. It was originally designed by Google, and is now maintained by the Cloud Native Computing Foundation, CNCF. Pods. What are pods? Pods are the basic execution unit in Kubernetes. They represent a logical host for one or more containers. Pods are ephemeral and can be created, scaled, and deleted as needed. Example. Breaking it down. Kubectl run, this command creates a new pod. Inks, this is the name of the pod. Image equals inks latest, this specifies the Docker image to use for the container. Common mistakes. Forgetting to specify the image version, which can lead to unexpected behavior. Not checking the pod status after creation, which can lead to issues if the pod is not running as expected. Try this next. Check the pod status, kubectl get pods. Describe the pod, kubectl describe pod inks. Pro tip. Use kubectl run with the dry run flag to test your command without creating a pod. Use kubectl get with the O-wide flag to get more detailed information about the pod. Services. What are services? Services provide a network identity and load balancing for accessing a group of pods. They allow you to access a pod without knowing its IP address. Example. Breaking it down. Kubectl expose, this command creates a new service. Pod inks, this specifies the pod to expose. Type equals node port, this specifies the type of service. Port equals 80, this specifies the port to expose. Common mistakes. Forgetting to specify the port, which can lead to the service not being accessible. Not checking the service's status after creation, which can lead to issues if the service is not running as expected. Try this next. Check the service's status, kubectl get svc. Describe the service, kubectl describe svc inks. Pro tip. Use kubectl expose with the dry run flag to test your command without creating a service. Use kubectl get with the O-wide flag to get more detailed information about the service. Basic kubectl commands. What are kubectl commands? Kubectl is the command line tool for interacting with Kubernetes. It provides a wide range of commands for managing pods, services, and other resources. Example. Breaking it down. Kubectl get, this command retrieves a list of resources. Kubectl describe, this command provides detailed information about a resource. Kubectl delete, this command deletes a resource. Common mistakes. Forgetting to specify the resource type, which can lead to unexpected behavior. Not checking the resource's status after deletion, which can lead to issues if the resource is not deleted as expected. Try this next. Practice using kubectl commands to manage pods and services. Use kubectl with the help flag to get more information about available commands. Pro tip. Use kubectl with the verbose flag to get more detailed information about the command's execution. Use kubectl with the output flag to specify the output format. Production best practices. What are production best practices? Production best practices are guidelines for deploying and managing applications in a production environment. They include using configuration files, monitoring resources, and implementing security measures.